If you want to hide apps on a Realme GT7T, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit and go to security and privacy. Scroll down again until you find the hide apps option. In this case, I need to enter the privacy password because I have already set it up. In your case, you might need to set up the privacy password first if you didn't do that yet. So let's press get started. Over here, we can decide how we want to access these hidden apps. So we can either choose the home screen icon, so we can add the hidden apps icon into the home screen. You can also press customize in order to change the name, for example, or the icon. So we have an option to camouflage the app. And of course, you can also use the dial pad, which allows us to use a special code for these hidden apps. I'm gonna stick with the home screen icon. You can also customize the home screen icon here, and we can press add apps in order to finally find the list. So let's say I'm gonna hide this app over here, and maybe let's say this app as well, and this one. So now once we have these apps hidden, we can go back, and if I open the app drawer, as you can see, these apps that I have selected are gone. In this case, I have hide apps option. So I can go over here, unlock the hide apps, and there we go. We have everything that we have hidden. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.